Shut up!
The year was 2007, and I was doing my chores as usual.
Ma! When are we gonna get the friggin' lawnmower fixed?
Ian! Look at this toy airplane that my grandma got me for my birthday.
Let's go fly it!
Yeah.
This plane is awesome!
It gets awesomer. It could even take aerial photos.
No way. Dude, fly the plane over there and take some pictures.
Yeah, I bet someone's totally getting murdered right now.
Okay, that should be enough pictures. Bring her back. Oh! Ah!
Let's see who the murder victim is today.
I hope it's my Spanish teacher.
Nope.
Damn!
No, don't hit me with the shovel. You'll ruin my pretty hair.
Did he just...
No, let's just move on to the next picture. We've got to get that plane back. All right, let's go.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, you good to go?
It's your plane. You go first.
Fine. You know what? I'll go first.
No. I want to go first just in case he comes up from behind us with a knife. You'll get stabbed.
Wait, I don't want to be the one to get stabbed.
Too bad.
Wait.
Who's there?
Housekeeping?
Oh, okay, great! Well, I've got to take a crap right now, so go ahead and clean up in the living room. Oh, and you're probably gonna need to clean this toilet after I'm done with it. Haha, I'm just kidding.
Si, senor.
Wait a minute! You need to check out my new toy airplane that's sitting on the coffee table. It's friggin' sweet! It can, like, take pictures and fly around, and I'll just show it to you after I'm done. You're gonna be so impressed!
Si, senor.
I didn't know you could speak German.
Ian, what are you doing? We've got the plane. Let's go. What are you doing?
Sweet! I've never seen a real-life dead person before. Quick, Anthony, take a picture of me with this dead chick.
No way, man. That's disgusting.
Fine, I'll just do it myself.
Why'd you just do that?
She was a zombie. I just saved our lives.
Oh my God. Thanks, man. Let's get out of here.
And so we just ran and ran until we got back to that field. And then we flew that plane for 3 more hours. So after a while, Anthony and I got tired and bored, and we decided to go out and pick up some hookers. And that's the story of how I met your grandmother.